Hey YouTube, Southpaw Pete here. What I have is this Brinks, kind of an American 1100 knockoff. I guess Brinks, it's their keeping in competition. You'll notice down here it says high security because it's so intense. We got 5-pin core, 3,500 pound pry resistance, 4,500 pound cut resistance, hardened shackle steel. So let's just give it a try, shall we? Into the old Vice Arena. Here's the bitting, just so you could get a look at that. Leave those here. And I'm going to be using, excuse me, I keep hitting the camera. Bottom of the keyway tension. Let's just see what a Jimmy Long's aggressive rake. See what it takes here. We're in. So I don't know about a high security, but it is a dead core. So obviously you have to put the shackle back in, and then turn the lock to locked. And we'll give that one more shot. That seemed a little fast, even to me. And you know, as people have mentioned, there's quite a few of us serial rakists in the community. Again, and we're in. Not a fluke. Their high security definition is quite different, I believe, than you or I. Have a great day, everybody. Rock and roll.